Hi everyone, I'm Heidi and I am in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen sponsored by TSET today along with Chef Val from OUTU School of Community Medicine. Always good to be here with you.
Thank you. Good to be here.
I'm just going to jump in. What are we cooking today?
So we're going to have some Chewy peanut butter chocolate granola bars.
Okay.
Okay. And so if there are allergies, you could definitely use sun butter, which is the sunflower seed butter. And then any additions to it. I mean, one of the great things about this and so many of our recipes is that you can make it your own.
Okay. So you can substitute for what you need or what you can have.
Yeah. So we're going to do some mini chocolate chips. I don't know anybody who's substituting that, right?
I think that's necessity.
And these are some raw sunflower seeds, but in our trial over here, we used pumpkin seeds. You could use different kinds of nuts, but again, with the allergies, you know, you can really control what's going into this. And then we have some honey. You could use maple syrup, and this is some really thick crystallized honey. So if you have some of that, that would be a great way to use that up in your pantry. But again,
which is going to help kind of form it all together, correct?
Yes, it's going to make it all stick together and help it be that chewy that we're touting.
And I would imagine there's a difference too in regards to cost. I mean, granola bars can be very expensive, strictly my opinion, but they can be.
Yeah, they definitely can be. So you not only get to customize this for your taste and, you know, health allergies, whatever you have in your family, but also they're much more affordable this way.
Okay.
So this is just some plain peanut butter. Yesterday I used half plain and half crunchy, or half creamy, half crunchy.
More crunch and flavor.
And then the last thing that we're adding is a flax egg. So this is ground flaxseed. You can buy it already ground.
Okay.
And you add 3 tablespoons of water to 1 tablespoon of the flax meal to make equivalent to 1 egg.
Okay. So again, that's more allergy related, or
yes,
you're just choosing to maybe be more vegan or something.
Yes.
Okay.
And it's very, very inexpensive too. Okay, so this is just going to go into the bar mixture, and this does take a little bit to stir up just because everything in here is so gooey.
Right.
But after you get it all stirred up, it's going to get pressed into a pan, and it's going to get baked in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. Let it cool completely before you start trying to cut them or eat them, because they will kind of crumble on you. But then our finished product is right here.
Which looks beautiful.
So if you would like to take a little taste.
I know you don't mind me, as I've just been eyeing them through the whole thing anyway. So let me take a taste. Otherwise I lose a chocolate chip, and I'm not losing a chocolate chip. Okay, these are very good.
Good.
Very, very good. And I can only imagine, obviously, based on what we've just talked about, they're a lot healthier for you and a cheaper resource as well. So if you would like to learn more about this recipe, go on over to KJRH.com.